Hello everyone. In previous video we have started lesson number 13. Shivaji gives the slip to the emperor. Putting the trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji Maharaj left Agra to visit emperor. But when Shivaji Maharaj he visited to the emperor, that time there was insult of Shivaji Maharaj, and he was for practical purpose he was now prisoner. Aurangzeb was not ready to leave Shivaji, so Shivaji pretended to be ill and he started sending huge baskets of sweets to the sadhus and Maulvis for his quick recovery. Next, the last point of this chapter is escape from Agra. Shivaji, how he escaped from Agra. About that we are going to see in this point. In the beginning, the guards outside would examine the baskets, means which baskets of the sweets were sent to the sadhus and Maulvis. It was examined, means it was observed by the guards. In the course of time, they got tired of the daily routine and stopped it. Means the guards were tired to examine or observe the baskets of sweets. So they stopped it, and one evening Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. Then Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje hid themselves in two of the many baskets that were going outside. In the two baskets which were going outside, in that basket Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Maharaj they themselves hide. The baskets were supposed to contain sweets and allowed to pass unchecked. Without checking, the baskets were allowed to send out. At a place previously fixed, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the baskets. Previously only Shivaji Maharaj's plan was ready, and according to that, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje they got out of the basket at a place which is previously fixed. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with horses kept ready for flight. Flight means run away, means for run away from the clutches of Aurangzeb. Already the horses were kept ready, and in the meantime, means during Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to get some medicine. Pretext means a reason given in justification of action that is not the real reason. Means whatever reason is given, that is lie. Means Hiroji and Madari, these two people, they left Agra under the pretext that they are going to the doctor to get some medicine. Means Shivaji is not feeling well. For Shivaji, we are going to bring some medicine from the doctor. Like this, they told to Aurangzeb. The two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. Imprisonment means custody. These two people, Hiroji and Madari, they took risk, means their own life they have put in danger, and they have helped Shivaji to free from that clutches of Aurangzeb. The emperor came to know of the Shivaji's escape the next day. He was wild with rage, means he was very angry. His sardars were frightened. The emperor sent spies all over the country to trace Shivaji. To trace means to search Shivaji, to find Shivaji. For that, emperor sent his spies all over the country. Spies means secret agent. All the search, however, was in vain. Vain means useless, means whatever search emperor has done, it was useless. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's net. Means once Shivaji Maharaj had escaped from the clutches of Aurangzeb, never he will be again caught by the emperor. In disguise means changed appearance, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura, and a due course reached Raigad. In a due course means what? At appropriate time. Shivaji Maharaj reached to Rajgad. Jijamata was overjoyed, means happy to see Shivaji safe and back home. 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also arrived safely at Rajgad. In this way, with great skill and daring, Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. This was in 1666. This was in 1666, means Shivaji escaped from the Agra. This incident took place in the year 1666. Now here is the end of this chapter. I hope all of you understood this chapter. Next part, that is the exercise of lesson number 13. Students, here exercise of lesson 13 is given that you have to copy in EVS to workbook. Copy it correctly. Thank you. Have a nice day.